For every small or upcoming musician looking to earn money with their songs, or music lovers looking to buy and sell music as NFT, then I would recommend you use this platform, Tune.fm. This platform pays a singer for every single listener his or her song gets. And the cherry on top is that it's free to start using. So let's get right into it. Get the link in my description below. To sign up, click on the join now just below at the left corner. It will take you to an interface where you have to put simple details and you choose whether to sign up as a listener or a musician. After signing up, it will bring you to the home page. I know you must be wondering, how do you start uploading your songs? What you will do is to click on the left corner below where your username is. When you click, you scroll down, then you will see your wallet. That is for checking your earnings. Then you see buy and sell jams. That is for music lovers that want to sell and buy songs as NFT. Then your profile and security. Then you see my music. You tap on it. It is where you upload your music. But first, you have to provide your address and follow the simple steps before you upload your song and start getting paid. They do this to make sure you are not pirating another person's song. So that is it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new. For more videos like this, like and subscribe.